There are a lot of unique features in CapCut, and one of them is to use green screen in CapCut. So if you don't know how to use green screen in CapCut, today I'm going to show you how, so let's get started. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open CapCut. And then select the project that you want to add your green screen to. So mine is right here at the top. If yours is not already listed here, you can always select on new project and then add the video to this list right here. So I'm just going to click on this video. So once you've done that, press overlay at the bottom row. You'll see right here next to stickers and effects, you'll see overlay right here. Press on that and press add overlay. So you should already have downloaded a green screen effect, and you can easily do this through any video downloader. So I'm just going to press on the one that I have already downloaded and press add again. So make sure that it fits. And once you adjusted the screen, you can see right here that it's not matching my video timing, so I'm just going to adjust it. And then once you've done that, go back at the bottom right here, press on the overlay that we have just added, and then scroll until you find this chroma key. So press on that and then move this around until you see the green, and then press on intensity right here next to color picker at the bottom, and then you can just adjust this until the green screen goes away. So you can see now that the green screen has disappeared, and then just press the tick mark at the bottom right corner. So if I play my video, you can see that the effect has successfully been added, and you even know how to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button, so be sure to do so. Until next time.